Grand crust, the wild taste. Today we're going to make pig's feet and scampi. To make this recipe for 4 people, you'll need 1 box of scampi, 100 kilograms grand crust, 4 cooked pig's feet, 2 cloves of garlic, 1 onion, 1 dried choricero pepper, 20 grams of hazelnuts, 50 grams of croutons, 1 liter of beef stock, salt, olive oil, and parsley. Start by rehydrating the choricero pepper in a bowl of hot water. While the pepper is rehydrating, heat a lug of olive oil in a pot. Sear the scampi and set them aside. In the same oil, gently fry the finely chopped garlic and onion. Next, use a spoon or knife to remove the meat of the pepper. When the onion has turned golden, add the pepper meat. Add the pig's feet and the stock and let it simmer for 15 minutes. If you use fresh pig's feet, you can substitute the beef stock with water. Chop up the hazelnuts, croutons, and parsley. Add them to the pot. Add the scampi, salt to taste, and let everything cook for 10 more minutes. The pig's feet and scampi are ready to serve. Bon appetit!